How to delete transaction history on Binance, and if this isn't possible. So if you're hoping to clean up or hide certain past transactions, for example, a few crypto trades, unfortunately you won't be able to do that through Binance, and the only way to erase history is by somewhat deleting your account, assuming it satisfies Binance's deletion policy. But even that is irreversible and remove all history and data. So what Binance allows is the activations or deletions of your entire account. If you withdraw all your funds and meet the requirements, of course, this will remove your ability to log in and view transaction history. Once you delete your account, Binance claims that associated data, including transaction history, will be removed from your access. Since Binance does not allow deleting only parts of your transaction history, so a few trades or some deposits, you can't get rid of that from your transaction history. From the perspective of their API or trade history, deletion of individual trades is not supported. But unfortunately, that's the only answer we can give for now. So you can't do this. But hopefully the information of this video can help you in a way. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.